All right guys, so the next step is, so we just did the transmission fluid flush. That'll be in a video prior to this, so you guys can catch that video right here. Wait, let me see. Right here, you guys can catch that. There should be a card up here. That video is pretty simple. It's a straightforward step. It's a two-step on how to replace the transmission fluid oil. While we're down here though, we're also gonna do the differential fluid, Junior and I. Differential fluid next. We gotta go ahead and drain the diff fluid. It's a lot simpler. All you have to do is remove one bolt, let the fluid drain, and fill it up with 1 quart of oil, which we're using BMW's group oil. So that's the oil that we're going to use. And then all you need is 1 diff bolt, just like that. And that is all you need. All right guys, so since our transfer pump is dirty with transmission fluid oil and we're trying to replace the diff oil, just to be safe, we're gonna drain all the old diff oil into this bucket, and then we're gonna clean the transfer pump by pumping through the old diff oil, just to make sure it's more consistent of diff oil rather than transmission fluid oil. Not that I don't believe it's gonna make that big of a difference, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So this is the best thing we've got.
14 CRMO. So basically a big Allen into a socket.
So this is the new fluid. Boom. It's gonna go right into there. You're gonna just fill it until it starts oozing out. And once it starts oozing, you just gotta cap it up with a new one, and then you're all set.
This shit thick.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit thicker than the other stuff. Don't kick me in the nut.
Boom!
Ah! Oh, yeah. All right, bro, you just cap it. This one you just want to cap right away. And that's how you do the differential oil. And like that, guys, I am done. Junior and I are done. Junior's not here. He went home. Just got out the shower. Tutorials on both the differential and the transmission fluid flush. I'm doing one outro, so this is the same take for both videos, as both will be posted separately. Link to each other's videos will be right here or right here, depending on how that all works out. But again, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment on this video if you guys have any questions or general want to make any corrections. I mean, there's nothing really to be corrected. It's pretty straightforward how-to video. And if this helps you out, then feel free to comment and like for that. But keep posted. 2020 is right around the corner. Today is Christmas, so Merry Christmas to all you guys. 2020 is right around the corner, and I plan on doing a lot with the project build. So stay tuned, as early on in January, there should be a lot of movement going on, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted as much as possible. Without further ado, that's it with this video, or these videos, and I am out. Junior is out. I'll catch y'all on the flip.